Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making this chickpea flour omelette with pea spread and stir-fried mushrooms. So shall we begin? We are starting with pea spread. So in boiling water add peas. I've used frozen ones, but you can also use fresh ones. When they're soft and cooked, transfer them into a blender cup. Add olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and a little bit of water. And also you can add the pine nuts. I like to toast them before adding to this spread. So blend everything together until smooth and creamy. We don't want it to be too runny, so this is the perfect consistency. And after that we are moving on to stir-fry mushrooms. So start by chopping up half of onion. Prepare 2 garlic cloves, just prepare them for later when we are going to press them. On the olive oil add garlic and cook until soft and they will get this brownish color. And then we are adding mushrooms. You can use any type of mushrooms that you like. Then stir fry them until soften. And then it's time to add pressed garlic cloves. Some spices, salt, pepper and dry thyme. And a splash of water. Cook for a few moments until everything is soft and combined. And in the end you're gonna add a little bit of aceto balsamico and cook just for a few seconds until the smell is evaporated. And then it's time to prepare chickpea omelette. So in a bowl you're gonna add chickpea flour, nutritional yeast, onion powder, garlic powder, black salt, it's optional but recommended, baking powder, salt and pepper. Stir everything until combined and then you're gonna add water. Mix until fully incorporated without any lumps. On a pan you're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, brush it all over the pan, and then you're gonna add this chickpea flour butter. You want it to be a little bit thicker than for the pancakes, so add a generous amount of butter. I've used this big pancake pan, but you can also use smaller one or make a smaller dosage. So this omelette is for approximately 2 people. After the omelette is cooked on both sides, cover it with kitchen towel and let it sit for a few moments until soft. And then it's time to spread this pea spread. Add mushrooms. Flip one side over, and then I like to add sriracha, this hot sauce, toasted nuts, and some green salad leaves. That's it. This perfect breakfast or lunch or maybe even dinner is ready and you can enjoy this delicious meal. So if you like this recipe, please click the like button, subscribe for more recipes and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.